Hi, welcome back to Simply Fatima. I'm so happy that you guys were able to join me today. If you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. And if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Fatima. And on this channel here at Simply Fatima, we talk about all things luxury. And if you are into all things luxury, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also make sure you hit that like button and also hit that bell button so you'll never miss an upload. In today's video, I am talking about my 2020 small leather goods collection. And if you're interested in that, please stay tuned. See you soon. Okay, so I don't have a huge small leather goods collection, but my collection is growing. I only have small leather goods from two fashion houses, which is Louis Vuitton and Saint Laurent. Saint Laurent, I have the most small leather goods. Louis Vuitton, I'm starting my small leather good collection, but I'm also going to feature these pieces in this video as a whole, so you can see like my whole 2020 small leather goods collection. I get so many questions on my Saint Laurent pieces, so I'm not gonna give like a huge review, but I'll give like my thoughts, a shortened version of my thoughts and opinions. I actually have 4 small leather goods from Louis Vuitton, and I am gonna go through those first, and then I'll start with my Saint Laurent pieces. So my first small leather good that I have is from Louis Vuitton. It is my coin purse that is from my multi-pochette accessoire, and you can tell on the front it has a larger monogram, and then on the back it has a smaller monogram, and it is attachable and detachable with this hook that's right here. And this is what the inside of the coin purse looks like. It has this like nice wipeable material, and it has gold hardware. So this is one of my items that is from Louis Vuitton that is considered a small leather good. The next item that is considered a small leather good is my mini pochette from Louis Vuitton from the LV Heritage collection. You see it has my initials and my little design that I chose right here. And the design also goes on the back as well. And it comes with a gold chain, just like all other mini pochettes. And my interior color, because of the LV Heritage collection, is just beige, just to match my Neverfull. So yeah, this is small leather good from Louis Vuitton number 2. So the next small leather good that I have from Louis Vuitton is my monogram key pouch. As you guys can see, like I love everything I love all my small leather goods in monogram print from Louis Vuitton. So I have the Louis Vuitton key clay, and it comes with gold hardware, and here's the chain that attaches your keys, that you can just drop your keys in here. I use this mainly for cards and cash, and then I just attach this to my keys and run into the store. It's really cute, it's really nice, and I'm pretty sure if you continue to stock the website or your stores, you can pick this up for the holidays. And my last small leather good from Louis Vuitton is my Toiletry 15 that I absolutely adore. I love my Toiletry 15. It holds all of my essentials, it holds all of my basics, and like I am really glad that I have this. I am getting the Toiletry 19. You guys convinced me to get one, so I will be adding that to my collection very soon. But yeah, this is my Toiletry 15, and this is what it looks like on the inside. I've used it, but I'd always keep my tags and my things. Just, I don't know why I do that, I just do. But this is the inside. The inside is the same material that the coin purse comes in, and then it has just the vachetta tab and a clean zip. And so yeah, these are all my small leather good items from Louis Vuitton. They are all monogrammed, they're all really cute, and I so far 10 out of 10 recommend. Yeah, I love all of my Louis Vuitton monogram small leather good pieces. So the next fashion house we're gonna go to is Saint Laurent, because that's the fashion house that I have the most small leather goods in. And the first one I'm gonna start with are my card holders. I have one in black with the black hardware, and then I have one in this nice red color with the gold hardware. So these are my two card cases. And you're probably like, why do you have two card cases by the same fashion house? Let me tell you, this black one, when you put it in a purse with a black hole, it gets lost. Like, it gets so lost. So that's why I got myself a red one, so that when I carry a bag with a black hole, you can see the red and it has gold hardware. Like, I'm not scrambling looking for my card holder. But these card holders are just made so nicely. And when I tell you, I stuff my card holders, I am not nice with them. I fill them to capacity, and this Saint Laurent one has not led me astray. Like, and I've had this for a year, and to me, it still looks brand new. Like, okay, some of the coloring is like coming off, because apparently they told me that in order to make it black on black, they paint over the gold. But I'm not mad at it, like, at all. But like, it has a quilted leathering. It's black on black, and it's just like, look at all those cards. Like, yes, and I have a card on the back. But like, so I recommend this. Like, I just love the Saint Laurent card holders. Like, nothing beats them whatsoever. I do want to try a Louis Vuitton card holder, because I hear they have really nice card holders as well. But right now, I'm just so in love with my YSL card holders and the structure. And like, just look how beautiful. Like, hello. Hello. So yeah. So my next small leather good from Saint Laurent that people ask me questions about all the time and tell me that is super cute is my Saint Laurent key pouch. And in my last video where I was showing you what fits inside my Palm Springs Mini, I was saying how, like, this key pouch I would recommend before the Louis Vuitton key pouch. Like, I love my Louis Vuitton key pouch, but it's just something about this one that I like the most. I don't know if it's because it's like the black with the gold hardware, the leather. But for me, it is the fact that it is, sorry, I have like all my tags and stuff. My authenticity card and all of that. I think it's because, like, it's so much bigger than the Louis Vuitton key pouch, and it holds a lot more cards and cash. And I usually mainly carry this as a cash and coin pouch, but you can connect the keys right here. It's just like, it's the cutest key pouch, key clay. And for comparison, again, I will show you the Louis Vuitton key clay. Like, look at that. Like, small. I love her so much. And everything that's in this video will be linked in the description box, so please read the description box. So my next small leather good by Saint Laurent is a trend. Is like, I really like their black on black pieces. I don't know, everything is just so sleek when you have black on black. But I have their wallet. I don't remember the name of this wallet, but it comes in their quilted pebbled leather like this. This is the front, and this is the back. It has a spot where you can put coins up here. So you can put coins up there. And then it snaps open, and you put your license right here. And you have 4 card slots right here. And you can put your bills right here. So the 4 card slots are like over here. And you put your bills right inside of here, just like that. So I really love this wallet. I haven't gotten to use this wallet yet because I'm so obsessed with my card holder, and I don't usually carry cash like that. And if I do, I can just stick it in the middle part of my card holder if there's no cards right there. Like, if I have cash, I usually like put them like right here. If I don't have like my key pouch. But yeah, I haven't carried a wallet in a while, but I do have a YSL wallet. So my last item is like a wallet on a chain, so I kind of consider wallets on a chain like small leather goods, but it is a clutch from Saint Laurent, and it's black with gold hardware, and it comes with a detachable or removable gold